Hello everyone! I'm here to show you this package that I got from Deb the other day, and she sent this over 3 months ago and now I finally got it. And this is the package that she sent me for the altered letter swap that we did in April. So yeah, this is my letter from Deb and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, here we go. So first we have this little card. Oh, and that's so cute. Hi Matilda, thank you so much for being my swap partner. I hope you like your letter and had fun creating. Ooh, I had fun creating it for you. Hugs, Deb. Thank you so much, Deb. So I'll just put this to the side. Ooh, she puts more stuff in here, I think. Ooh, so here's probably the letter. Oh, Deb, you didn't have to. Okay, so... Oh, she put together this little kit with stuff. Ooh, page flags. These are cute. Like little cats. And these strings in different colors. And these 2 flowers. And these coin envelopes. Oh, that will be perfect for journals and things. Ooh, what's this for? Not really sure, but like you could alter this, I think. I might just ask you. And these are some napkins that I can decoupage with. And some guest checks. Ooh, like we don't have these sort of things here. Oh, nice. Thank you. Ooh, and these are stickers. Deb, you really didn't have to. Ooh, and a stamp set. Oh, like a birthday one. From Stampendous. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, and I love the definition one of birthday. Oh, they're all so cute. Thank you so much. Oh, and here's more stuff. What? Oh, because it was like, oh, she sent me Easter candy. Ooh, I love milk chocolate. This is so cute. Little bunny. And cute little marshmallow bunnies. That's so cute. Thank you so much. And here's the letter. And I love this pom-pom trim. I'm definitely saving that. Thank you. Ooh, I love that scallop edge on that. Okay. Ooh. I can already see it's pink. Oh, this wants to get stuck in that. I'll just have to remove that later. Oh, Deb, this is so cute. Oh, and it has lace in here. This is so pretty. I love all the pearls and the little birdhouse and flowers and lace and these like eggs. This is so pretty. It has lace here too and up here, and this little like cheesecloth cluster in here too. That's so pretty. Oh, and I love pink so much. Thank you, Deb. This will look very pretty up on my shelf where I have my other like swap swap items. Thank you so much, and thank you so much again for all the goodies. You really didn't have to, but I love them so much. So yeah, this was the swap from Deb. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again, Deb, so much for swapping with me. I'd love to do it again in the future, and I hope you're all well. Take care. Bye.